You sleep 8 hours a night, you have a good diet, and you get exercise, and you're still tired? Well, it might not be about your body at all. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 40 and over to regain their energy. And in this video, I'm going to reveal the hidden reason for fatigue. And I'm also going to give you 3 steps that you can take in order to regain your energy and be yourself again. And number 3 is always a surprise for all of my clients. So, first of all, the mind is an energy thief. It will have you dwell on the past and all the should-haves, and it will have you worry about the future and all the what-ifs. And it's like having all the apps open on your phone. Well, that just drains your battery, your phone battery. This drains your personal energy by thinking negative thoughts and having those turn to worry, and then keep thinking about the worry over and over and over again. Some of the symptoms of the fatigue are that you can't get a restful night's sleep, you're restless, you wake up feeling tired, you can't focus during the day, and then you just feel very heavy. So when you feel that heaviness or that dullness, ask yourself, ask your intuition, is this a physical issue that I need to address? If it says yes, then go see a practitioner and get the issue cleared up. If it tells you that it's your mind, then here are some shifts that you can make in order to quiet your mind and to bring your energy back. The first thing that you can do is just to accept it. Don't try to push away the fact that you're feeling tired. Just accept it. I know that you've heard that what you resist persists, and it's true. So just accept that you're feeling tired. Through just accepting it, welcoming the fact, you're going to raise your energy up. Try it. The second thing to do is to just get grounded. Right now, take a look at wherever you are and name one thing that you can see. Name one thing that you can hear. And then name one thing that you can feel, either a sensation within your body or something that's in your surroundings. And if you like where I'm going with this, I think you'll love the free mini audio course I've created, Calm in the Moment Kit. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use first thing in the morning to set yourself up for a peaceful day, and the last thing at night for restful sleep. It has a 1-minute reset that can help you to just get calm and centered during the day, especially when you feel that you're feeling overwhelmed because of any of the chaos that's going on around you. And then it has 15 journal prompts that you can use when you have additional time to sit down and look at what are you thinking that's turning into worry, and what are the worries that you keep circulating over and over and over in your mind that are zapping your energy. If you'd like access to that, just comment calm below the video here. I'd be glad to send you the link. So let's get on to the third process, the step that most of my clients are surprised at and very happy about. This is going to be a closed eye guided meditation. So please don't do it if you are driving or if you're cooking, if you're operating machinery. Wait till later to do it. But if you can be settled, before we start, I want to ask you, what is one thought or one worry that you've been carrying with you all throughout today or all throughout the week? Just comment below what that is. And keep that in mind during the meditation. I'm going to ask you to go back to that. So this is also going to involve nose breathing. That's the type of breathing that will lead to your being the most calm. So if you can be settled, just take a look at a point above you. Breathe in, close your eyes, and as you exhale, visualize the number 3 times. You should be feeling that your body's becoming a little bit more relaxed. That's what happens when you do deep breathing. You can relax your shoulders, any tension in your neck, or your forehead, or your jaws. And just feel a wave of calming energy just cascading from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. And just feel that relaxation. And then keeping your eyes closed, breathe in again. And as you exhale, visualize the number 2 3 times. And now you should be feeling that your mind is getting calmer. Thoughts may have disappeared altogether or at least slowed down. And this is how you're going to revamp your energy, by calming your mind. And then one last time, breathe in. And as you exhale, visualize the number 1 3 times. And now you should be able to get a sense of your true nature. That stillness, that calmness, that peace that's within you. This is your real self. You might not think of it that way because everything else has been piled onto it with the worrisome thoughts and the worry and all the chaos that's in your life. You just go through and you stuff that onto this wonderful, calm nature that is really you. So just really breathe into that. Just relax into it. This is your true self. Maybe you've never done this before. Maybe you've never felt that true peace within you, but it's there. Just relax into it. And the more often you do a meditation like this, the quicker you're going to get down into it and the deeper you're going to get. So what I'd like you to do is just breathe in the color magenta. It's not just a color that you see with your eyes. It's a color that it actually carries the frequency of peace. It's the color in my scarf. It carries the frequency of peace. So just breathe in magenta and just have it circulate throughout your body. And as you breathe out, have it go into your surroundings. And then breathe in again and just have it wash over you. The top of your head, just have it cascade down the outside of your body and then go in your body and just circulate within your body. Just really making things much more peaceful, much more calm for you. Really just sit in that peace. Now I'd like you to think of that thought or the worry that I mentioned a few minutes ago that I asked you to consider. And think about how it makes you feel. And then as you breathe out, just let it go on a cloud of magenta. Just let it go out into the universe, for God or spirit, or however you think of that great power to handle. Just leaving you free. And just encapsulate yourself in this magenta bubble. The colors circulating within you, you're having it flow over the top of you, it's all outside of you. And just create this magenta bubble that you can take into the rest of your day just to bring peace into all your activities. And you can do this every day and see how things will change for you today and how it'll just change for you going forward. And to remind yourself of this peaceful frequency, you can have magenta in your wardrobe. I have lots of things that are this magenta color. You can have it in your decor. You can have it in your gear, your sport gear, or your coffee cup, or your phone case, or your journal cover. And every time you look at that, you're going to be led back to the frequency of peace. And the more you do it, the more it's going to be a part of your life. And you'll see the change. And you can apply this to any thought, any worry that you have, not just the one that you were considering during this guided meditation. So we're going to close the meditation. You can just rub your hands together to warm them up. Rub the palms of your hands together. Put them over your eyes. Gently open up your eyes into your palms and then take your hands away. It's just a way to get grounded. And to get further grounded, you can take a look around you, and you can also take a sip of water if you have that. So if you are feeling more peaceful, please like this video. It will let me know that it was effective for you, and it will let other women who are living in chaos know that this is something that they should take a look at too. If you would like access to the Calm in the Moment kit, just comment CALM right below here. And if you'd like to take this even further, I've created another video here. And you can access it right here. Don't let worry steal your energy.